Today we're going to show you how to create a pre-order and walk through the entire flow until the order is officially created. Go to Orders and click New Pre-order. On the Add Pre-order page, you'll fill in some basic information. Let's get started. In the first section of the page, you'll see the pre-order creation date and the pre-order number, which is configured in the Setup page. Here you can choose the number sequence not only for the pre-order, but also for the order and the invoice. Don't forget to click Save when you're done. Next, select the sales representative, the customer contact, and the order location. On the right side, you'll find two notes fields, one for customer notes and one for internal notes. I'll add a few notes just to illustrate. Once you select the customer, their information will automatically appear below in Customer Details. Here you'll also find the Order Details section. Since the invoice hasn't been generated yet, the invoice field cannot be filled in at this stage. The remaining fields can be completed as needed, such as status, purchasing number, purchasing agent, estimated shipping date, designer, job reference, and terms of payment. In walk-in information, you can enter details such as name, phone number, email, and address. On the right side, you'll find the tax details section. Here you can apply pre-tax additions and discounts, sales tax, post-tax additions and discounts, shipping cost, and the customer's credit card fee. Next, let's add slabs or bundles to the pre-order. Click Add Slab, filter the material you want to add, select the slabs from the results below, and click Save. The slabs will be placed on hold in the pre-order only if you have the Set Automatically option enabled in the Setup page. Otherwise, the slabs will remain available to other customers. With Add Bundles, you can add an entire bundle or select only a few slabs. Then click Continue and Save in the top right corner. For this video, I'll leave some slabs on hold and others not. Here you can also add products. Click Add Product, filter the product, select it from the list below and click Save to add it to the pre-order. In this order, I'll add a cooktop, a faucet, and a sink. Done. Now I'll place these products on hold as well, since I want to reserve them for this customer. Let's also add some materials to produce, which are materials the customer wants to purchase, but that you don't currently have in stock. Fill in the stone information and the number of slabs you want, then click Save. With Add Bundle, you can add this bundle if it's already available in stock. Fill in the quantity, supplier, block, and bundle information, then link it to a container. Below, in Generate PDF, you can send an email to your customer with the pre-order document attached. Or download it to your computer with all item information, including descriptions, quantities, totals, and more. If you have a pre-order term registered, you can download it and send it to your customer so they can fill in their name, signature, and date. In Delivery Note, you can generate a PDF with all the delivery information for the items requested in the pre-order. This document can include the company signature, the customer signature, and the current date. In Documents, by clicking New, you can upload purchase terms, shipping terms, terms and conditions, and many other documents. After filling out the entire pre-order, click Save at the top of the page. Clicking Create Opportunity creates an opportunity in your CRM for this pre-order. If your customer decides to convert the pre-order into an order, it's simple. Click Create Order at the top of the page next to Save. Done. This is your order page. Here you can complete all the remaining information, including adding more details to the invoice and delivery details such as delivery and material status, order location, billing and shipping addresses, shipping date, and more. Make sure to click Save to apply your changes. Here you can review all items added to this order during the pre-order, and add more if the customer requests, including bundles, products, and materials to produce. In the Setup page, under the On Hold Order section, you can configure how many days the items in an order or pre-order will remain on hold. After the defined period, the customer is notified and the items become available to other customers as long as this option above is enabled. After making your changes, click Save. In payment information, you can register all customer payments, whether they are completed, open, or pending. You can also apply a credit memo to the customer. And finally, in this section, you can report cost information. That's it for today. If you want to see how SlabWare can help you organize and grow your stone business, visit slabware.com and start your free trial today. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to help. Follow the channel, turn on notifications, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next tutorial, folks!